2025.
2025.
So honestly, this has been really one big adventure.
Having the right brake setup is super important.
In doubt, throttle it out.
We're here, 5 people with all Baja lights coming through, so it's going to be a good time. I would say this year we definitely branched out. We did a lot more exploring.
Overall, 2025 with R1 was pretty great. I can't wait till next year. Hopefully we get to travel a little bit more and experience some new food, just new times, new memories with the guys. Super excited for 2026.
Been a long-time fan of R1.
The braking power on that thing is amazing.
These brakes are a real deal.
Feel like I'm gonna stop and the car's gonna flip over.
It stops on a dime, no issues.
Look awesome. So thank you, R1.